Hello everyone, I'm F Estrada and I'm going to be working on the project use the distance measurement by ultrasonic sensor and Arduino. First, I'm going to start with all the materials that we're going to use. First, we're going to use our breadboard, our Arduino, a buzzer, 3 LED lights, some jumper cables. There's more of them right now. We're going to use more of them, and our ultrasonic sensor, our computer with the Arduino program installed, and the cable to connect our Arduino to the computer. To start our circuit, we're going to use our breadboard. We're going to point the positive side going up so it's easier for us to assemble it. Then we're going to grab our ultrasonic sensor. The ultrasonic sensor, we're going to put it in the row F. It doesn't matter which number of row, but I recommend you using the letter F so it's simpler. Then we're going to connect our LED lights. First, I'm going to start with the green one. The short leg goes on the negative side and the long leg goes on the positive side, which would be this side, and the short leg would be going in this line, the blue line. So we're going to start with the green one, and then we're going to go with the red one, and then we're going to go with the white one, and that's it for the LED lights. Next, we're going to use the buzzer, and we're going to put it in row number F, the positive side facing the ultrasonic sensor. Then we're going to pass to our jumper cables. I have them color-coded so it's simpler to find it on our Arduino and later on the report. But we're going to start with the ultrasonic sensor. The green one, it's going to go on row I and on the echo port. And from the echo port, we're going to connect it to number 3 on our Arduino. Then the yellow one, it's going to go to the trig port, also on row I. And that one, we're going to connect it to number 2. And then we're going to use the red one, and we're going to connect it on row H, and we're going to connect it to the positive on our breadboard. After that, we're going to collect our LED lights. I have them color-coded so it's simpler to see. The red one goes with the red LED and so on. So first, we're going to start with the green one, and we're going to put it on top of the positive leg, and the green LED light will go on number 8. Then for the red one, also goes on top of the positive leg, and that one is going to go to number -11. And lastly, the white one on top of the positive leg, it's going to go on 12. After that, we're going to connect our buzzer. The buzzer, the negative side, we're going to put it on row J. So just make sure that your negative leg, it's on the same column. It's going to be on the negative side, and we're going to go connect it to the negative on our breadboard. And then for the positive side, we're going to connect it to the number 13 on our Arduino. And last but not least, we have the positive and negative. In this case, the orange one, it's going to be the positive, and the white one, it's going to be the negative. So the orange one, we connect it on the positive line on our breadboard, and we're going to connect it to the 5 volts in our Arduino. And the negative is going to be on the negative line on our breadboard and connect it to the ground. Now we have our circuit ready. All we need to do is connect our circuit to our Arduino to the cable, And we have it. Now that we have our Arduino connected, we're gonna open the Arduino code. We're gonna be using the distance sensors and LED EMS code. First, we're gonna verify it just to see if there's any mistakes. And as we can see, there's no mistakes on the code. So we can upload it to our Arduino. So we're gonna click upload, and it's showing us that it's done uploading. Now, let's prove it. Now that we passed our Arduino code into our Arduino, we're gonna prove to see if it worked. What we need to do is just grab an object to use to measure to be our point B, and then we're gonna put it in front of our ultrasonic sensor. You can see it at this distance, it's the first LED light working. If we put it closer, the green light, the first light and the second light are gonna turn on. If we put it closer, the third light is gonna also turn on. You can see now it's working, all of the 3 lights are working. And if we go further, it's gonna start beeping. And then if we go farther, the lights are gonna start turning off. In the next video, it's an example of how an ultrasonic sensor works in real life. And it's in the car, the camera, when you're backing up and you're about to hit something really close, it starts beeping in order to alert you that there's something close that you might hit it.
But it's also a working toilet. I know it sounds insulting, but it's actually an homage. My question for you, you should check it out so we can kind of talk intelligently about it if that's a thing. Go over to my Twitter @ so you can see it and be fully informed. My question to you is, if you had it,